Hi everyone, this is me, Jeremiah Harabella Torino. You can call me Ming. I'm 21 years old and I'm from Cagayan de Oro City. Wow. Naklaro nga ang lighting na mo kay fly. Karang tong violet nga makapatay siya. Og fly or langaw. So, magsugod na ta kay grabe kay ikang dirinong partner na ginako mo mini aircon thanks to Union brand lumalaban. Pero anyway, kay grabe. Tingong gusto siya. Kay grabe! Hindi kay ikang nga room. Hello, awkward kay ko. Taysa. Pero anyway, saba ka mo yun eh? Saba daw! But anyway guys, I started this vlog. Annoying ha? Saba! Saba kaya akong ganyan guys. Annoying kayo siya pero walang pilain lighting. Dala ko sakit sa heart ko, bakubahan siya tayo. Well anyway guys, I decided to start doing vlogs, if that's what you call it, or just video stuff, guys. A lot of people have been requesting me to do one because they enjoy sila sa akong IG stories, and in my IG stories I'm so unscripted, if that's even a word, or wala akong script, and I'm so spontaneous with the content of my IG story. Wow, content so shy. Bilat! Nairis naman akong kilay. Rip cases, dili rip jokes. Oh my god, joke naman. Well, anyway, speaking of content, guys, in my channel, I would be doing some skincare routine. Well, this is what I will be doing now, skincare routine. But I will try to update you guys with what are the products that I use because I tend to change the product that I use from time to time because I am a firm believer kasi na yung skincare is hiyakan lang. It doesn't mean na what products you use will work with me. At the same time, what works for me might not work with you. So I really believe na parang hanapin mo lang talaga yung best na product that will Bakit kasi natatagalog ako? Well, basta pangitaon ninyo inyong product nga. Alam, bisan Bisaya, grabe, 50% na ganyan akong intelligence. Basta, you just have to find the products that will best suit you. Well, anyway, the content of my vlogs will be skincare. Makeup, of course. I'm so excited to do some makeup tutorials, and then I will try to do some song covers. And because I'm a singer, guys, just so you know, I sing ever since I was a kid, and I will try my best to do vlogs, yung parang everyday vlogs when I'm at an event or basta mga spontaneous stuff. I'll try if ma-master ko na yung pag-vlog kasi mahirap talaga siya, especially sa editing part. So yeah, that would be my content, and I hope you guys would support me in this endeavor of mine. So yeah, let's start with the skincare routine. So guys, I have already washed my face kanina pa. So I washed my face with this Vueshea Beauty Bar. I've been using this since I was in grade school, mga grade 5 or siguro when I was in first year high school, and I swear by this product. This is so good because, and a lot of people have been using this as well. This is a good product because it doesn't only cleans your face, but it nourishes your skin as well. And I just love it. It says, helps whiten the skin and remove pimples. So, diba? Lumalago tayo dyan. So, after I wash my skin, I use this toner, Eskinol. And by the way guys, I really use yung mga affordable lang na products because hindi pang mayaman yung face ko guys. Hindi siya pang mayaman na products, pang affordable lang. And by the way, speaking of affordable, we would like to thank our sponsor, Gaisano Flower Shop, for this beautiful arrangement, di ba? Kakahiya. Well, anyway, so I use Eskinol Pimple Fighting, and this is not sponsored a wow, social. And it says Pimple Fighting Facial Deep Cleanser with Derma Clear formula, and I don't know what that means. It says dries up pimples in as early as 3 days, lighten pimple marks. And ito na parang feature niya guys, na parang lightens pimple marks is very important for me because ako, I do not really get pimple often. But when I do, matagal siyang mawala kasi parang may mark siya na naiiwan. Ano ka Tagalog ko? Pero na-shake ka na murag just like this, if you can see here. Dugay na niya siya, turn na pa siya dyan. I don't get pimple as often, but it leaves a mark. So this feature is really important. Yung parang lightens pimple marks. And after washing my face, I still need to get some toner because, guys, may chismis pa yan. Promise. Konti lang. Huwag masyadong sabat-sabat ka lang. Gusto niyo bang makita na may chismis pa? Tignan niyo. After cleaning the face, may chismis na siya. So you really have to use toner so that you can really clean your face. So after I use toner guys, I use this Super Firming Formula Cream by Farmona. I don't know. This is actually my mom's. But it says, Skin Professionals 55+. So, di ba? Pag 55+ siya guys, but I use it because, I don't know, my under eye has been really my insecurity ever since. Okay, it's really dark. And my mom said na parang, ano daw, hereditary daw. Kasi, some of my relatives din has dark under eyes. And it could be an effect of my ano din daw, yung parang yung heart ailment ko. But I'm fine now, don't you worry guys. But I use this because it's super firming, so diba? And nag-consult ako ng doctor.
Chai, shalan!
Under eye. And the doctor said, it is because I lost a lot of weight. Not a lot naman, but I lost some weight. And so parang nag-leave siya ng hollow dito na space. And yeah, so ganun lang. But I use this because it's super firming, so maybe ma-firm siya ng konti. And I think it improved naman. So, but this is not an eye cream. It's supposed to be a cream for the face. I-use natin yung magic mirror natin. Kung ganun lang. Tapos leave na yan overnight. And by the way, di ba ang laki ng dako kaya mong samin. Ano ka Tagalog yun ko eh, pretentious kay ko. Well anyway, ganan ko nga samin. Guy, kuan siya. Magic samin siya. Na siya beautifying effect. Kaya nga no, wala lang. Kay abog na kayo siya nga samin. Old na kayo siya nga samin. And tungod sa beautifying effect, makaingon dyan ka na. I love cheeses. So after I use that product for my under eye, well, it's not really for yung parang under eye, but I use it because of the effects. It's just appropriate for me. For me, I use this. After that, I use this anti-aging face serum by Jazuro, and it says it's from Israel.
Arte ba?
I don't know where my mom got this, but I'm using it because I like the smell. I just love the smell. And it says it has Renovage and Syncol. And it says for all skin types, diba? Apply a few drops on cleansed face. Tap gently until absorbed. So this is how I use it. Just 2 drops. Dalawang drop lang. 1. Actually 2 na yun. Pero saan dito mo? Ayan. So parang ginaganon ko lang siya. Tapos rub ko lang siya para ma-activate yung mga ingredients, mga active ingredients with the heat of my hands. So muna siya. Amot din sila ito. Anti-aging lagi daw pero. Diba? And guys, it's anti-aging product. And I'm still 21, but let's start early. Diba? Mahal magparetoke, so let's start early na lang. Prevention is better than cure. Sabi nga. So, ganun lang. But this is actually so optional. I just use it because I have it. Sayang lang ko hindi, diba? So, yeah. So, after I use the serum, I use this Garnier Skin Naturals Light Complete White Speed Whitening Serum Cream with SPF 19. So for me guys, this is really my holy grail.
Mova!
Because I get a lot of brain cells. I get a lot of nutrients from this product because it has vitamin C, it has SPF, which is very important, and it has powerful 3 times action on dark spots, which is my problem. Kasi nga, di ba, usay ako magka-pimples, but mag-leave siya og marks. So this is very important for me. And it says, it lightens stubborn old spots, fade new appearing spots, and prevent future spots from surfacing. So I've been using this for quite some time na din. And I love this product. And the smell is, importante yung smell sa akin, ewan ko. Basta, ganun lang. Okay na yun, yung parang toothpaste na amount. But it's weird though because this is a day cream. It's supposed to be a day cream kaya na siya SPF, but I use it at night. Why not? And lastly, I use moisturizer. This is from IY Korea, and this is really my favorite because it deeply hydrates with non-greasy formula. Char. Oo ba? But it's really my favorite because tricky siya. Kaya meron siyang gel type. So here, same lang yapon na itong meron siyang toothpaste yung amount. So, di ba mo na siya? Pero, when you rub it, kaya mo siyang tubig. So amazing! So amazing! So amazing! I love it. Oh, di ba? Wala siya. May siyang tubig. Pero yan lang. So yun lang guys, those are the products that I use for now, and what's important is you really have to look for the products that will best suit your skin, kasi iba-iba yung skin type natin, and would work for you, because once again, my golden rule is yung skincare is here. What works for you might not work for me, and what works for me might not work for me. So ganun lang talaga siya, and you just have to explore and search for the product that best suits you, diba? And ano pa ba? And no matter what guys, you're beautiful. Huwag kayong it doesn't mean you have pimples or whatsoever that decreases your beauty, no. Because I get pimples, and what makes me, I think what makes me beautiful is my confidence, my fearless attitude of what others would say about me. I do not care anymore, diba? So, I think yun lang talaga. You just have to build on yourself first, on your confidence, and everything else will follow. So, yun lang. And always, and when you get a skincare routine, do it. Yung parang routine talaga. You do not have to, you just don't do it when it's convenient for you, or yung parang feel nyo na parang may event kayo bukas, kaya ayaw na din mo mag-skincare. Well, it doesn't work that way, because skincare doesn't work overnight. You have to make it really your routine. You have to invest some money and some time, but for me, I use the affordable products. Kaya sa pabrik ko, may effective sa ako ba? So, ganun lang guys. So thank you so much guys for watching. Thank you for wasting 7 minutes of your time.
Baka kon.
So thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And don't forget to like, oh wow, I'm saying it. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell button for more updates on my channel. This is me again, Ming Hermel. It's me again, Ming Jeremiah Herbel Toreno. See you next time.
Thank you.